crafty friends. It is Audra Monk, the Crafty Yogi. I'm gonna refresh my computer so that I'm on my page. And welcome to the Crafty Corner. Welcome for part two. So I figured out what happened. Both boxes were delivered, but I was upstairs exercising, and so my husband brought up just one. And then I thought we only had one. And then we go to lunch, which was really good, by the way. Kitty Watt Thai Kitchen in Frederick, Maryland. Love it. So anyway, I'm like, there's the box. And he goes, yeah, there were two boxes. And I was like, well, there's supposed to be two boxes. So anyhow, it's all good. And we'll show you real quick. So this one should hopefully be short. So welcome for those that are joining me. I'm glad you're ready for part two. So this box is smaller, and that's okay. Actually, this was in the first box, and I thought it was the same toll paper, but I forgot that I ordered one pack of the Toll Tidings gift wrap. So let's see what that looks like. I don't know. So it's folded. It's the size of like our DSP, but then this unfolds. Oh, look how big that is. So that is a nice size. It's printed on one side and just white on the other. So it's for wrapping gifts, but you could totally make cards with this. That would totally work. So this is the piece with the holly and mistletoe on it, and I think yes. And then look, there's two of each, and then there's a piece with these beautiful red stripes. That is really pretty. Okay, so someone special will get that wrapped present. Okay. Next, all right, so this is what I was really excited about, and I was like, oh no, where's my thing? So I think that we should do this as a class, and of course everybody will have to have their own, and if you're a demonstrator, you'll buy it yourself and just pay a small fee, and if you're a customer, you'll buy the stuff and it'll all be good for you. Okay, Christmas Countdown Project Kit. So let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, that's awesome because it's already made. So this is about, let me get that paper back. It is just a little under 12 by 12. So I'm thinking 11 by 11. Okay, and I kept my scissors here, but I really wanted you guys to see this because when the catalog goes live, or if you're a demonstrator, you might decide that, yeah, I guess I'll run the scissors here. I was trying to decide where to cut the wrap. Okay. So this is a project kit. So there are instructions. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so cute. So I don't know, you could give this to someone you really like, like your nieces and nephews or a really close family friend. Because I'm trying to figure out what about us people that don't have any kids. But I'm gonna keep it. The kit, I think it's like $30, and then there is the Christmas Countdown stamp set. These little drawers come, they're two-sided. Couldn't you do like a countdown to a trip if you were going on a big trip, or you could do a countdown to Halloween? So you could decorate both sides. So two sides have a little notch in them, and they just slide in there. And there are spacers in the box. Let me show you that. So there are spacers to protect your little things. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I was thinking we were going to have to make all of the boxes. So that makes me super happy that we don't have to make the boxes. Let me take a quick look at the instructions. So, because we need some ink. So what it looks like is that, they're pre-die cut out the designer series paper. So the decoration, let me pop one of these out. Okay, so it's a matter of taking that and putting it with your Snailer glue on there, see, on the box. Okay, so there are several designs of those. Then there are, it's so funny, it's sealed right back up. There are bows. There are, those are more boxes. There are numbers. So these are just die cut out. We put those on, I bet with a dimensional would be super cute. And then these are, look at that. Are they stickers? I love them. They are, sorry, I actually love stickers. I don't know, there's some kind of little bows and banners, and then there are snowflakes and bows and little stars. So really, it's just a matter of a tiny bit of, what do we have to stamp? Let's see. What do we stamp on this? I mean, I will definitely, of course, make it before we have a class, but I'm just curious here as we open this. How do you look at the book? Ah, look at that. It's okay. Oh, I see. So you just stamp on some of the papers. Okay. Got it. And so you can mix and match. So anyway, it's very sturdy. It's very nice. And it would make a great thing for yourself or to give as a gift to others. So this is the... Do they decorate? I kind of feel like you should decorate... What do you guys say? I think you should decorate these edges with some DSP. I think. If you're going to definitely keep it all Christmas. Okay. So that is that kit. And make sure it doesn't fall over. Okay. Let's see what else we got in the box. Oh, so I told you about these. And there was a flyer. Did I lose the flyer? Okay. Yeah. Oh, here it is on the floor. So this one's Paper Pumpkin. I can show you. So we're going to start celebrating fall. I'm pretty sure this is the teaser, so it really looks pretty. I love watercolor from Stampin' Up. That it's little gift bags with tags. So what they did was, Stampin' Up knows that a lot of people like to make cards instead. So they did a special add-on kit, okay? And I know it sounds a little confusing, but I think they have a good idea. If you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, so you know, exclusivity, like people are like, oh, why do I have to be a subscriber to get that? Everyone does this. That if you do one thing, then there are perks. So, if you're a subscriber to Paper Pumpkin, so you could go on paperpumpkin.com, go through the thing, click subscribe, choose me as your demo, and then you'll be getting this kit. They bill and start shipping on the 10th of the month, but then you could go on a regular order. Okay, so a regular order, or you contact me and say you want to place an order, and we'll figure out the best way for you. And for $10, you can get these pre-printed note cards. Pre-printed, pre-designed, and this has a wreath, and then there was that watercolor. Is that all? Is there just 3? Yeah, sorry, just 2. So it's a lot of cards. I don't know how many this is. Feels like a lot. 12 of each. So say you do want to make Thanksgiving cards or something cute, and the pre-printed envelopes, so pretty, so very pretty. And this is the little flap, so from the back it looks like that. So you could use these now. You could use these with new product that you can order. If you're a demonstrator, you're ordering now or in the month of August. If you're a customer, you just gotta wait till September 4th. Not a big deal. And you could order one of our fall sets, and you could totally use these to make cards with. But you can't order them unless you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. So I'm hoping I explained that clearly. It's 2 totally separate things, but the only way to be able to order this is to be a subscriber. So you should subscribe with me because it's going to be a fun kit. Okay, so that's that. Let's see what else. Oh wait, but you know what? I have a fall set that never came out because it was in this box. And it has this and this. Okay, so I showed you the Gather Together paper. So if you didn't see the first video, you should go look on Facebook and scroll back and find the first video. Hi everybody, thank you for joining me. This is really pretty. It has a big leaf, a little pumpkin, some small pumpkins, Gather Together, Season of Thanks. So glad to have you in my life. May this season bring you smiles and love that will last all year. Wishing you well. So definitely, you could do a Thanksgiving-y thing, but you could definitely do wishing you well. That's super nice. So this is the fall set. And were there dies with this set? It seems like there would be, but I don't remember. And I don't see any dies, so I'll have to look it up. And then there are, let me open one of these. There are these, what are they calling them? Tags and feathers elements. Maybe there are no dies because there's this. I don't know. If there's dies, I got them here somewhere. Okay, so these are kind of like what I showed you in that kit. These are going to be pretty. Ooh, they're wood. I don't think I knew they were wood. Hi, Tracy. Oh my goodness. Sorry, they're kind of cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, look at these. Hold on, let me get one out. See if I can get one out. They are little tags. Look at that. That's super cute. You could stamp your greeting. Season of Thanks or Gather Together fits on there. Or that little mini greeting set. You can stamp your tags on there, your greeting on there, and hang it from your card. And then there are feathers. Oh, I think I just spit. There are feathers, 2 kinds of feathers. So I didn't realize they were wood. I was thinking they were just paper die cuts, but they're beautiful. And they're small enough that if you just do 1 or 2 of these on a card and you don't layer them on top of each other, you could mail that card. Yes. Okay, so those are the wood elements. Those are super cute. I just made a big mess with them. All right, let's see. We got 2 more stamp sets in here. Oh, now see, this would go good with the Gather. So, and I think the information's on the back of the catalog. Yes, no. Okay, so Stampin' Up! Made this special set. It's called Nature's Beauty. If you like the nature, you're going to want this set. So there is a deer, a fox, a bunny, some trees, some snow, a little bit of grass. Okay, this set, let me make sure I tell. It says, be a difference maker. This set, they are going to help make a difference in the lives that we care about. If they make a donation, and I can't, oh, there we go. $3 of every sale goes toward mental health organizations. So I think that's really neat when they do a special set like that, that part of it, the money goes, is a donation. So they're going to donate $3 for every one of these that we sell. So I think we should buy them. If you like the whole nature line art thing. You could color or not color these. I think you can go either way. A quick watercolor would be really cute on them. And you could definitely do different holidays of stamp sets with that, projects with that. Okay, and then these are super cute. Playful penguins. Again, a little line drawing thing. You could add a little color or not. Merriest wishes. Nothing warms the heart quite like a good friend. May your New Year's dreams come true. These are cute, and they have a cute little scarf. You'll have to fussy cut it, but that's okay. Fussy cutting and crafting, it really is good for our mental health. There's a lot of self-care things, and if you get joy from crafting, you should totally craft. It will help you out. Coloring has been known to reduce stress, so you can color. Okay, so we got all those sets. I think I only have 2 more things that 4 more things I didn't show you. Okay, 2 embossing folders. This is the hammered metal. So I'm going to open this one. This is a 3D one. Okay, and we're still, yes, right now, Stampin' Up! Does not sell a die cutting machine. And it's okay, because when it comes, I'm telling you, I am eagerly awaiting when they get it. It's going to be awesome. So if you buy these and you have a Big Shot or a different brand, we do sell an adapter, or you can make a shim, and that will work too. Ooh, this is, sorry. This is hammered metal, but I was making dinosaur cards using the mosaic tile one. This will be even more fun because it looks like a lizard, like a snake or a dinosaur or a lizard skin. So that's a fun one. And then this one, so that's one of the 3D ones. And then this one is called Stylish Scroll. Ooh, I think this goes with the Halloween stuff with the whole little gothic look. And that is very, very pretty. Oh, do that up in purple with some, use your brayer and put a little smoky slate or black on there. Ooh, I can't wait to do some Halloween crafting. If you like Halloween crafting, we are going to have a fun time this year. Okay, then speaking of die cuts, we saw some wood ones. These go to that metallic paper I showed you when I was talking about the Christmas crackers. It's in that suite. I didn't get the stamp set, but I got the dies. Look. And these will punch out very gently. They're stars and a little, stars and little ornaments and little leaves. And there's, they're foil, and so it looks like there's a piece of tissue between each layer. And are they all the same? Is that what they are? So this helps your cards go quicker sometimes, is that you don't have to, so they're all the same. So you don't have to die cut it out yourself, which is kind of fun. And then the very last thing is my wrapped in plaid paper that I really was excited about. And then I was like, where's my paper? So my wrapped in plaid paper, let's open that up. Okay, and I will show you. So here's the thing, it's called wrapped in plaid. So that means one side, my husband is giving me a hard time. You can't see him, but he's walking around being very silly. So, but that is okay. So wrapped in plaid, I'm going to fan them all out so that we can see them all together. So one side is a beautiful plaid with copper gold, maybe gold, maybe copper. I don't know. I'll look. No, I think gold because now I'm getting to the greens. It looks golder. It looks more coppery with the reds. With part of the plaid has a metallic line. Oops. Oh, you already got to see the back sides, didn't you? So very, very, very pretty paper. And then on the other side, not plaid. Plaid, not plaid. Not plaid, plaid. The back sides are very pretty though. Very, very pretty. Deer and stockings and polka dots and stripes and Christmas trees and pine cones. So very fun paper. It's 6x6, great for the individual crafter because it's a nice side to store, and you can get a card front and then you have a strip that you can use on the side, or you can cut them in half. That makes nice. So yes, there we go. I think that's it. That one's so short and so sweet. How many minutes is this? I don't even know. So there is all of the fun that I ordered. There are still other things on my list, but I had to stop somewhere. Mostly I was thinking about my upcoming events, like I told you about before. So Just Cards Christmas class on September 4th, which will have some new stuff. I have Just Cards this week coming up. I have 4 slots left if you want it. I'll post about it again on Monday, but if you're thinking that. But Just Cards Christmas in September. Open house September 8th. You got to come and play with me. Maryland Stampers event on 9/21. So you have to be a demo to attend that event. And it will sell out because we only have 24 spots. It's a small one. Otherwise, the Maryland Stampers, there's an October one too. So if you're in Maryland or close by, you might want to join us for that. So if you have questions, comments, requests, let me know. Thank you so much for joining me on part 2. I'm really glad. And I'm sorry for the confusion that I didn't realize that I had 2 boxes. And look for updates about project-based classes and things we want to do. So thank you very much. Stay crafty. I will see you next time. I am off to organize this stuff and play just a little. All right, I got to come around and turn it off.